Python that have 14 data types that are int, float, bool, complex, str, byte, byte, range, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dict and none. Today's topic is fundamental category data type that are four types. First one int, second one float, bool, complex. Int is a predefined class that is treated as a fundamental category data type. The purpose of int category data type to store the integral values, whole numbers and integer data without any decimal places. In Python programming that have four types of number system that are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexagon number system. Decimal number system. Decimal number system, it is one of the difficult number system to understand the human beings day-to-day operation. The number system that contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The all bases 10 literally are known as decimal number system and binary number system. The number system is understandable by the OS and processing. The OS and processing. The number system that contains the 0 and 1 all base 2 literally are known as binary number system that are 0 and 1. And octal number system. The number system is understandable by the microprocessor kit 8086 programming. The number system that contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All bases 8 literally are known as octal number system. Hexagon number system. The number system is understandable by the number system is developed on OSs. The number system that contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A10, B12, B11, C12, D13, E14, F15. All bases 16 literally are known as hexagon number system. Float. Float is a predefined class that is treated as a fundamental category data type. The purpose of float data type to store the float real constant values and float pointing values numbers within decimal places. And float points that cannot be used in binary number system, octal number system and hexagon number systems indirectly. And bool. Bool is a predefined class that is treated as a fundamental category data type to store the